Welcome guys, my name is Subhamalik and in this video I am going to share with you how to create word search puzzles for Amazon KDP really fast. You can see here I have created this book. This book contains 170 dictionary word search puzzles. So you can see here I have created dictionary words A puzzle 1, dictionary words A puzzle 2, and you can see here this is professionally created dictionary word search puzzle, and you can see here there are the hints here. You can see I have created different word search puzzles for each letter of the alphabet. You can see here this is for A, the dictionary words B puzzles, and here are the hints. And this book contains 170 dictionary word search puzzles, and all these puzzles come with solutions as well. Solutions are included toward the end of the book. So in this video I am going to share with you how you can quickly create these word search puzzles using a software that is called Instant Puzzle Generator. Let me show you the solutions here. And here start the solutions. I have included 4 solutions per page, and I have created 170 dictionary word search puzzles. So why to create word search puzzle book? Let me tell you, word search puzzles are very popular on Amazon KDP. Especially the activity books are popular, and under those activity books comes down the word search puzzles, crossword puzzles, maze puzzles. A lot of other puzzle books are really popular on Amazon, and word search puzzles are one of them, and these are really helpful for kids, adults, grown-ups and seniors. So you can target a wide range of niches and make passive income online using your word search puzzles through Amazon KDP. So let me show you how to create these word search puzzles really fast inside Instant Puzzle Generator. So this is Instant Puzzle Generator. You can see here I have already created word search puzzles for the letter A of the alphabet. Let me show you how they look here inside the software. How you can create these word search puzzles inside Instant Puzzle Generator. So this is a software that creates word search puzzles very quickly. Let me show you how to use this software. This is the puzzle generator. When you are on the dashboard of puzzle generator, you can see this page here, my puzzles. If you go back to home, you will see a page like this, Instant Puzzle Generator. All you need to do is click on the Access Now button here, and it will take you to this page. Here you can see your puzzles created previously during this session. If you want to, you can create a totally new puzzle from scratch here. Just click on the Create Puzzles. Here enter a title. Word puzzles. Okay, now hit create, and you can see here I have created this one, a new one. Here you can click on view. Here you can upload your word file, word list as form of .txt file. Here, let me show you. I have created letter A to Z text files, you can see here, and then I had combined these files into master files. So first let me show you the single files. This is dictionary words starting with letter A. You can see here a long list of words starting with letter A. Then I have a text file for letter B. All you can do is make a list of each letter of the alphabet, then combine them into one master text file like I have done. So let's try with our first letter of the alphabet and create word search puzzles for this list. You need to create a very simple list like this one in a text file or in Excel, and then save as .txt. So just click on the upload, and you can see the ported extension .csv and .txt files only. Click on select a file to upload here. Go to your text file here. Now you can see this has created a puzzle. You can edit this. Just click on the edit button here, and then click on the split words and select the number of words you want to include on a single page. Like I want to include 15 words on a single page. Here you can rename headline of the puzzle, like I am going to change it to dictionary word search, dictionary word A, or dictionary word search A. If you want to include puzzle, click on the split, then click on the save changes, and it will update the puzzle accordingly. You can see here dictionary word search A puzzle 1, dictionary word search A puzzle 2. If you want to see the solutions, you can click on this button. This says show solutions, and it will show you the solutions right after the puzzle page, so you can adjust if you want to. Like some pages may appear very weird. What you can do is just click on the regenerate puzzle button on a single page, and it will regenerate the puzzle for you, and the solution page will update it as well. So you can see this page is looking very weird. Let me change the puzzle itself. The page is also changed. So this is a little thing you can do to make sure that your puzzle and solutions are accurate. I think this page is not perfect, so I can change, regenerate the data. Just click on regenerate, and it will regenerate the whole puzzle, and solution page will auto adjust. In this way you can create word search puzzles very quickly. Once you are satisfied with the look and feel of your puzzles, you can go here on the download page and save this as a PDF. Then you can select the style of page numbers, like page 1 of 24 or page 1, 2, 3 or no numbering. As you wish, you can change the page number style. I'm clicking on page 1. Then here is the number of solutions per page. You can choose solution up to 2, 1 or 4. You can also change the page size accordingly, like I have selected 8.5 into 11 inches. Once you are satisfied with these settings, you can click on the download button, and it will create a word search puzzle for you. You can rename your file if you want to. Then click on the save button, and it will save it as a PDF. Let me show you how it looks. So you can see here it is perfectly looking puzzle for dictionary word searches. So you can see here page 1, page 2. Solutions are added toward the end. Solutions are automatically added toward the end of the puzzles. This is very quick way to create puzzles. All you need to do is make a list of words, like I have done. I have made a list of dictionary words from A to Z and created a separate files for each letter. Then I have combined each files from letter A to I, and then J to something like M, and then N to Z. You can also create a single file from letter A to Z if you are comfortable with that. Once you are done with creating your text file, you can come here on to puzzle generator. It's just instant puzzle generator. Then word search, and here you can click on create puzzles. Here you can add a title, like if you want to create a different words like animal word searches, click on create, and then click on view, and here you can upload a list of words that includes animal names or all the words related to animals, and save it as .txt and start creating puzzles for you. You can see there are previously created puzzles. Here is the setting page. You can click on the setting page, and here you can change the font. Here you can change the grid size. You can include different grid sizes here. You can change the font size, font style. You can also choose options for puzzle clues, puzzle language, and there are also different color options available inside instant puzzle generator as well. If you want to change the colors, you can click on here where it says puzzle color settings. If you want to change it to red, title is red. Now if you want to change the puzzle letter color is here. You can see puzzle letter color is also changed, and letter fill color is not available here, and solution letter color could be different. Let me show you. Click on the show solution button here. Here you can see there are a lot of customization you can do inside instant puzzle generator. It is a wonderful software, and it is one-time payment of I think $47. I have purchased this instant puzzle generator during April 2021, I think so, and I have created a couple of books that were selling as well on Amazon KDP. So if you want to quickly create word search puzzle books for Amazon KDP, then I highly recommend instant puzzle generator. It is one-time payment, as I said before, and you can use it for a lifetime. You can also use these puzzles to create digital downloads and sell them on sites like Etsy or Teachers Pay Teachers and many other educational sites. So this is all from me today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.